I went to reach for my glass. I missed it. Here we go. Hey everyone, Olos here. It's that time again. It's that time for a new comic book day. It's the train wreck, as you can tell. It's Thursday. So I picked up the books yesterday. So I'm filming this yesterday. So let's get this going, right? I literally grabbed for my glass. It wasn't there. Let's call out Simple Simon, Captain Sarah, Chris from Chaos and Comics, and don't forget, Brian-LCS is doing the Comic Book Community Awards. Make sure you vote. It's a cool thing he's doing here. Okay, vote for someone. Seriously, vote for your friends. I don't know, but get some input in there, okay? Because it's important. It is important. You know what I'm saying? So at least I think so. So vote. I'll put the link in the description. Okay? Now, last week, I didn't have my bags and boards. And I bagged all of them. Look what I did. So know what I have to do. I got to do my books from last week. So I got to do those. Okay? So I'm going to put this like this. Let's see if make sure the camera works. Boom. Let's bag these puppies. You got some Junkyard Joe. You got some Phantom Road. Number 3. Think this is the last issue. Highly suggest you pick up the trade. Number 3, they keep popping in and out of their own dimension. That's why things are weird. Okay? Pick up 1 and 2. Monarch, Rodney Barnes, aliens, and the main character, who's a kid, is actually an alien, so he's torn between 2 lovers, feeling like a fool. The aliens that he's from, and the people on Earth who took him in while he was down here scouting the place out. Torn between 2 lovers, feeling like a fool. Okay. Next one. Great British Bump Off. My wife and I, we watched the Great British Baking. So I thought it was a goof to read it. First one was cute. This book I want to read. Cullen Bunn. I enjoy his stuff. We hear about ghost stories, but what stories do ghosts say? So I really want to read this one. I heard that thing multiple times. I'm just spewing what I heard. But I'm interested into reading this book. And that's not the right side. There we go. Excuse me. Okay, Superman Lost. Number 3 of 10. He's making his way back to Earth. But at the first book, you realize it took him 20 years. For us, it was because he went through like a black hole type of thing. So, and I'm digging the suit. I mean, it must be a bitch to keep clean. But I'm loving the suit. The bleach bill must be outrageous. Okay, Second Coming, the Trinity. I haven't read it yet because I haven't bagged it, right? But I love the 2 first arcs. So I'm looking forward for this one too. And then I got the Chew variant of Daredevil 11. Did you hear that? The Chew Daredevil 11. I'm loving, I'm enjoying the story. It's not your average. This series isn't your average Daredevil, but what has been, But anyways, I'm enjoying the series. I think there's one more issue. Let's see how this plays out. Okay. Now. Hey, how you doing? I picked up this week's books. It's not a very big haul. You're gonna get the bling bling going. Hold on. I got the bling bling. Which eye am I blinking? I got my backs and boards. Let's get this going. I'm hitting the wrong buttons here. Boom. All right, here we go. Let's get this out of the way. Like I said, it's not a big week. Okay. First one. World Finest number 15. I'm enjoying the series. There's a little, this was like a little mystery type of thing. Find out who killed the main bad guy. What was his name? Frost? Is it? I don't know. Can't remember. But I'm enjoying the book. I'm enjoying the Superman Batman thing, which is World's Finest. It's what it was years ago, and the story putting in here. So now we got an Ultra Morpho, which is Metamorpho's upgrade, because they thought he's the one that killed his father-in-law, but he didn't. Let's see what happens. But there is a key in here. Minor. A minor thing. A minor key. This is a minor key. Maybe very minor. But it's still a minor key. You want to see it? Okay, so when they first got there, middlemen are in vats. Okay, Superman is going to go up against the Ultra Morpho, whatever. Okay, anyways, so the guy can turn into kryptonite. We found that out in the last one. So so you're assuming Superman's gonna get his butt kicked. So as protection, right? The Mega Men make a suit of armor for Batman. So he's wearing the Metal Men. I know you guys don't care. I think it's cool because that's it's old DC. But I mean, it's something for me. I thought it was something cute to minor key. I think it's cool. Cute. I think it's cool. It's a minor key. Pick it up. Because it's a minor key. If it was Spawn, everybody'd be all over it. Even if it was a minor key. Avengers. Number 1, the facsimile. I'm never gonna be able to afford the real one. I got this one. Yeah, if Spawn, all the symbiotes wrapped around a guy and made armor, everybody be over it. Well, guess what? It's the Metal Men doing the same thing. All right. This one, next one, is because I couldn't get number 34. He didn't have any I ended up getting 33. So everybody knows what 33 is about, right? He's got a yellow one. I'm not a big Star Wars and the comics fan, but you know. Oh, I didn't zoom that one. I thought it was pretty cool. Now, when the 34 comes around, if I can get my hands on it, I'll pick it up. How come it didn't go through? I don't know. But anyways, let's do this one too. Alright, why didn't the Avengers go through? I'll have to fix that later. Next one. Green Lantern #1. Why not? Give it a ride. It's a #1. Look, I haven't even opened this up yet, so we're gonna look at it now. The art looks pretty cool. Oh. He's been drinking. So his car. Then all of a sudden, run little piglets. Run from Steel Fury. And I don't know what's going on. He's in a green jet. Is it a real green jet? Hell! He crashes. Okay, I'm not going to tell you the whole story. But anyways, it's a #1. I picked up Green Lantern. Not Green Lantern. Green Arrow, right? Which I think is coming out next week again for #2. So I picked up #1. Well, give it a ride. What's the worst that could happen? Next one. I'm a little behind. And the last one. I'm a little behind. Superman #4. It's a cool cover, though. But there's a villain in here from, I don't know, was it I think the early 90s, when Action Comics did different stories. It wasn't just Superman. And that was, I gotta get a better picture of her. Gotta get a picture of her. Okay, anyways, Banshee. So, she's screaming. I'm not gonna go look at the last picture. Last one, okay. But anyways, the Banshee. Sorry, there was a lousy picture of her though. Yeah. Oh, well, you know, she's right there. So she was cool in the you know, I thought she was pretty cool character in the older Action Comics. She's in this one. I picked it up, but I am reading it, but I'm way behind. Okay, let's put these in. Oh, the Avengers did go in. Okay, good. All right, that's there. That's there. That's there. All right, let's go. All right, that's what I picked up for the what? Oh, it's the 17th. You know why I know it's the 17th? This is the anniversary of my wife and I having our first date. Happy anniversary, babe. So I know what day it is today. So, oh, I'm sorry. This was yesterday. Yesterday was the 17th. This is the 18th. All right. Thanks, everybody. Again, there's a list of people in my description, and I'm going to add more. Follow them. No, just click on them. Some have 1K, 2K subs, and the others have like less than 500. But look, check them out. The comic book community awards. Check it. Look it up. Give it a run. Answer some questions. Why not? It's with the community, and I know we all say the community, but everybody has a different community. But so get those different names on in the lists to get nominated. Why not? If you add a member, if you add a community member in your community that other people haven't seen, it could be a small guy, small gal, then we'll go look. You know, it's like, oh, we'll go look. And there's a good chance we'll sub to them, right? So, sub up, okay? Add into the community. Go to, put it in. Have a good time with it. All right. See you, everybody. Take it easy. Thank you very much. I'm done rambling. This is the train wreck. See ya.